Let's go on an adventure into music history. It's the Composer Chronicles from Dynamic Doodle.
Привет! I'm Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky, and I'd love to share my musical journey with you. Gather around and let's dive into my world of music and melodies. I was born on May 7, 1840, in a small village in Russia. My family was quite musical. My grandma used to play the piano, and I loved listening to her beautiful music. That's when the music bug bit me, and I knew I wanted to create beautiful melodies too. I was a curious kid who wanted to learn everything about music. I started taking piano lessons, but it wasn't easy. I had to practice a lot to get better, but I was determined, and with hard work, I made progress. As I grew up, I went to music school to learn even more about music. I dreamed of creating melodies that would make people smile, dance, and feel all sorts of emotions. My family was always supportive, and their encouragement helped me follow my musical dreams. However, pursuing those dreams wasn't always easy. I struggled with self-doubt and sometimes felt like my music wasn't good enough. I also had a hard time financially during my career as a composer. But I didn't let those challenges stop me. I worked even harder, and with every obstacle I faced, I found the determination to overcome it. I learned that challenges in life are an important part of our journey. Now, let's talk about some of my musical accomplishments. One of my most famous works is the well-known ballet called The Nutcracker. It's a delightful story with dancing mice, a sugar plum fairy, and a nutcracker prince. Kids just like you watch it and enjoy the enchanting music, especially during Christmas. See if you recognize some of the music. I also composed another famous ballet called Swan Lake. It's a beautiful tale of a princess who turns into a swan. The music is powerful and emotional, and it's still performed all over the world today. As for the end of my journey, I passed away at the age of 53 in 1893 in St. Petersburg as one of the most well-known composers of the Romantic era. My music has a way of living on. Even though I'm not around anymore, you can hear it in movies, at concerts, and in many other places. I'm still making people happy with my melodies, just like I wanted. So, my dear friends, I hope you'll remember me as the composer who turned his dreams into beautiful music. Maybe one day you'll create your own magical melodies too. Thank you all for joining me today. До свидания and happy music making!